Hey guys, it's Ben and we are here live at SODO on Main. Out with the old, in with the new. This is the Sky House, Houston, downtown, and we're changing the name to SODO on Main. So this is the last step. Everything else has been done. We've got all the community signs installed, all the window graphics. It looks fantastic. Now it is just the identity signs that we're doing today, so check it out. So these signs are going to go onto the old existing monuments, but let me show you some of the window graphics and some of the other signs that we've already completed. So there are two towers here. This is the north side. We've also got the south side. Today we're doing two monument replacements. We're also doing some signage on Main where exactly the express lanes are and the mass transit. So that's going to face that mass transit line, which they've never had before. And also, that's very loud here. Also, we are doing a huge garage logo sign. It's going to be spectacular, actually. But just check out. It's going to be great. I'm going to post some final shots today, but it's going to be a long day and into tomorrow. I'm gonna walk over here so you guys can see the South Tower and also what we've already accomplished there. Well, actually, we've got traffic, so I can't. But you can see over there the temporary SODO monument there, and we've got two towers here. But it's gonna be an active day today. I hear it's gonna be 100 degrees out here in Houston, but the humidity is 90%. So it's gonna be hot. It's already, I'm sweating. So anyway, take care. We'll post final shots soon.